Good day everyone, I am Florence J. Dubina
And I am Makar Corpuz.
and today we're talking about Elon Musk, who is one of the most famous people in technology. He is the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla and is known for doing amazing things and being a great speaker.
Yes, Elon Musk's life is full of big successes and tough challenges. He was born in South Africa in 1971, moved to Canada when he was 17, and then to the US for school. When he was young, he had a hard time with bullies at school and problems at home. But these experiences made him very determined.
His first big project was a company called Zip2, which he started in 1996. Even though he faced many rejections and had to live very simply, he kept going. In 1999, a company bought Zip2 for almost $300 million, which has his first big financial success. He then started X.com, which became PayPal. Again, he had many challenges, but PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion in 2002.
When Elon Musk speaks to people, he often talks about these tough times. He is honest about his failures and how important it is to keep trying. For example, when he talks about SpaceX, he mentions how the company almost went bankrupt after three rocket launches failed. But on the fourth try, they succeeded, which saved the company and got them contracts with NASA.
His speeches are not just about winning but also about the hard work needed to get there. Musk talks about believing in your goals even though others don't. This was clear when he talked about electric cars and with Tesla, which many people thought wouldn't work.
Right, Tesla had many delays and financial problems, and there was a lot of pressure from other companies. Musk often talks about the difficult times, like when he slept in the factory to help with production. He believes in being honest and talking responsibility, which has made him respected leader.
Elon Musk is also known for talking about difficult and important topics, whether it's the future of robots, space travel, or clean energy. He doesn't avoid hard questions. His honesty and big ideas make his talks very interesting and inspiring.
Plus, Elon Musk uses humor and makes complex things too easy to understand. He's good at explaining complicated technology in a way that everyone can enjoy and learn from. This helps people think differently about the future.
In short, Elon Musk's life is about overcoming challenges and creating new things. From being bullied as a kid to becoming a tech leader, his story is full of ups and downs. As a speaker, his honesty and passion make him powerful and influential voice in the tech world.
Yes, Elon Musk's talks shows us that great achievements often come from facing and overcoming great challenges. His messages about perseverance, having a vision, and being honest continue to inspire many people to follow their dreams no matter how hard they seem. And here's a saying: believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Once again, my name is Makar Corpuz,
And I am Florence Jade Piobina. And
and thank you for listening.